Hello everyone, this is Kinkoni IoT. In this video, I will give you a solution that you can use our relay controller outdoor. There is no network, no internet, and no GSM. So we will test the relay controller, and we can use the mobile phone, use the Wi-Fi, connect to the controller's hotspot, Wi-Fi hotspot directly. So we can test the distance, how long the distance the controller can control by my mobile phone. So we can use this relay controller, and this is the lamp connect with channel 1, and this is switch terminal board. We have make the device and install on the DIN rail, and because we need to test the distance by the Wi-Fi, how long can control by mobile phone, and we can turn on and turn off the lamp. And we also use the 12 voltage battery, and use this battery, we give the power supply to this socket, and we can connect to the line, and we put the board on this place, and this is the battery. Okay, now is power on. You can see the battery is power supply for the relay controller, and this is another mobile phone. When I control this smartphone by the controller, and the mobile phone also records the video, and I have the video another camera, and we can go along with the river, and we can test how long this mobile phone distance with the relay controller. And now we will begin to test it. Now we can use the mobile phone, the Wi-Fi connect to the controller directly by the Wi-Fi. This is a hotspot, Wi-Fi hotspot, so I can control on and off, on and off. This is mobile phone Wi-Fi control the controller directly. Okay, now I will go around. I can count. Now is no problem. Also no problem. I think now is about 15 meters. Also no problem. The LED, the lamp is also no problem. Okay, we can go quickly. This will not stable. I go back. Okay. This place is no problem, about 30 meters, 20 or 30 meters. Now we can go to the river. I go to there for our test. We can go to the other side. Now you can see the lamp is at there, a lamp. Can you see clearly? Now I can control the lamp, is no problem. You can see the lamp is here. I can turn off. That I can turn off and turn on. This is very long distance. My mobile phone. Control off, control on. You can see that. We can. That is our lamp. We can control easily, no problem. I can control fast. You can see very stable. There is very long distance. You can see when I turn on, turn off, turn on, turn off. The lamp, the red lamp, is very quickly. No any problem. So I think it's enough for you to use control outdoors. Okay, we can go to the bridge and have a test. This way also is no problem. You can see the lamp. You can see the lamp is also no problem. I think this is about 40 or 50 meters. No problem. Okay, we go back to the bridge. Now I'm on the bridge. I can test it. Oh, it's too long. This is no. Oh, you can see my mobile up. Then the signal will be better. I can control the lamp. Okay, I think this is enough for you to use. But I think go far away from this way will be not stable. So this about 50 minutes is not very stable. It's about 50 meters. This distance. Okay, now we have tested the controller's Wi-Fi, the signal. We have long distance for the testing. I think you can use your controller for your outdoor solution. Thanks for watching.